the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. On your face. Take a
So the shoutouts for this week go to Amrita, Nandakumar, Arshia, Gira and Swati. So thank you guys so much for loving and supporting me, and if you want a shout out in next week's video, comment anything with any of the clock emojis and you might get a shout out.
If you only knew how much my head was filled with you. It's why I do the things I do, but I know it's useless. I justify my lies, 'cause if I don't, it makes me cry. Hope life's not a race. When I was away, you were in this other light, calling out to me, I can make a summer cry. It goes on and it's not forgotten. And how you're tired now, but you can't stop this feeling. So you feel it.
I have two classes today. So the first one I have is political science, which is from 10:40, and then the next one I think is like just an interaction session with the class teacher. So I think it'll be over by 12:30ish. So I'm kind of done with my coffee. Okay, so I want to take this time and talk to you guys about India's biggest weekly scholarship test, which is held by Unacademy for IIT and JEE Combats. You can enroll for free, and you can also use my code pramugdhad to unlock it, and you can win scholarships of up to 4 crore. Like what? And there are exciting scholarships for rank 1 to 3, so make sure to go and tune in every Sunday at 11 a.m. because this is a weekly thing. So make sure to take the scholarship test every Sunday at 11 a.m. Unacademy also has their early Excel batch for droppers for JEE main and advanced for the year 2022. So make sure to enroll because it starts on the 16th of June and it's the day you're watching this video. So make sure to click the link in my description and enroll and get educated by India's top educators. Unacademy is also back with the IIT JEE bumper offer. So if you take a subscription for 12 months, you can get 3 months subscription free for IIT and JEE 2022. And if you take a subscription for 24 months, you can get 4 months free for IIT and JEE 2023. So make sure to check it out because the offers are exciting, and you can also use my code pramugdhad everywhere on the website. Okay, so the next class I have is an interaction session, and my political science class just got over, which is nice. It was a really nice class, liked it. And now we have an interaction session. So basically what it is that we just talk to our class teacher. She asks us questions about ourselves, just talk about life, what we've been doing, just basically getting to know each other because a lot of us are new in the school. So just got done with classes. Today we finished early. It's like 12:10, so also my stomach hurts because I didn't eat. So okay, I look like a mess, but small stationery haul if you care. Ball pens, highlighters, gel pens, pencils, and a box. Okay, so I'm gonna study right now. It's 3:10 p.m. and I'm studying with a friend, so let's do it.
Oh my gosh, I'm on your YouTube. Whatever.
Okay.
So I've got this opportunity to come on your YouTube channel. I'm her fan actually. We're not friends. We're fans.
Yeah. Okay, so it's like 5:30. I'm done studying. We were done at like 5:10ish. And yeah, now I'm just gonna go cycling downstairs because
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around.
yeah, that's it. Right now, I think I'll just get back to some studies, planning, and all of that. So, yeah.
I'm not in love with you anymore.
I didn't know you ever were.
Let's not make this any more difficult than it already is.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, I'm not in love with you either.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so I am finally done with school related stuff for the day, except I have one thing left, which is I have to make a timetable of what classes I have for like the next few weeks. So I'll do that while doing some skincare. So yeah, that's all I have, and after that all I'll have to do is edit this video and get this up by tomorrow. No big deal.